is Charles Johnson, and I'm a patient here at Atlanta Human Performance Center. I came here for therapy following complete knee replacement surgery that I had on July 8th of this year. I chose Atlanta Human Performance Center after talking to a number of my friends that are in the medical community. Many are doctors and nurses and my own surgeon, Dr. Arthur Raines, and after researching about 6 centers or so, Atlanta Human Performance Center came out at the top of the list. And I also had a couple of friends who had done therapy here for various things, so it was a very easy decision, once I got to know the staff and everybody. A functionality prior to coming here, it was right after the knee replacement surgery. I had 2 weeks of in-home therapy before I came here and started working with Dr. Hepburn. And I would say that my range of motion, upon arriving here was probably in the 60-degree inflection range. Today, I think I'm probably closer to maybe 110, which is a huge improvement. And I do credit the team here and Dr. Hepburn for the progress that I've made.
Hello, I'm Dr. Milan Hepburn, one of the doctors of physical therapy here at Atlanta Human Performance Center. I've been working with Mr. Johnson since he started back in July, and since then he's been able to progress from walking with a walker to walking with a cane. Today he is walking with no assistive devices, so that's a pretty good progress. We've been working on range of motion to make sure that he can be able to get around, walking around, doing steps, get around at home, get around at different places at the grocery store without trouble. As well as we've been trying to focus on making sure that we're not increasing his pain or compromising the newly replaced joint as we get back to increasing range as well as strength.
The best part is, when I'm doing the various exercises and Dr. Hepburn has a way of saying, that's good. And every now and then I'll get oh, that's real good. That's a little, it's motivational, but it's also a signal that I'm making progress. And she shoots straight with me. When I have good days, she tells me it's a good day. When I have bad days, she lets me know it's a bad day. And she informs me that, okay, when you come back tomorrow, we're gonna have to step it up. And we step it up and we make progress. And so I think particularly like after today's session, I got a lot of those, that's good, and I was able to notice my ability to do things today that I hadn't been able to do before. So I clearly see the progress. She's been really good recognizing that I have an issue with pain. Although, it's something that you can't avoid during this process, but she's done a really good job of working with me and being patient. And the results are beginning to show, so I'm quite happy. She promised that after the rehab is over, I'll be able to get back to running a 4.40. No? Okay. I'm looking to get to a point where, going on hikes and long walks, I'm pain-free. I initially injured my knee playing a pickup game of touch football when I was in college and had complete reconstructive surgery. And just over the years, the arthritis got worse and worse and worse, and it's at a point where I was bone on bone. And I went on a hike, through a nature preserve at the beginning of the pandemic, and the change in elevation, going up and downhill, it was extremely painful. I hadn't experienced that kind of pain, and I was telling my surgeon about it, and he said, you really need to go ahead and move forward with the knee replacement surgery. So I'm looking forward to the point where, I get to that 120-degree inflection of my knee, and I'm able to move around and maneuver, in a pain-free manner, which I'm told is my goal. I would absolutely recommend Atlanta Human Performance Center. Like I said, I have 2 of my high school buddies that came here for therapy, another friend of mine that came here for therapy, and one of my high school buddies' sister came here for therapy. And all 4 of them have been extremely pleased with their experience here at Atlanta Human Performance Center. An extremely professional staff here. That's one of the things I value most. They're extremely professional, and that goes a long way. Dr. Evans, again, like Dr. Hepburn, he shoots straight with you. He tells you it's going to be a hard journey, but if you push through it, fight through it, the results will definitely be positive in the end.